Good morning, grade 9. I am Jerusero, and in this morning, I will be your daily teacher. So everyone, please stand for a prayer. Miss Chelsea, can you please lead a prayer? In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, amen. Again, good morning, grade 9. How are you today? Are you doing well? That's great to hear. So class, before you take your seats, can I arrange your chairs and pick up those pieces of papers? You may now take your seats. Thank you, everyone. Class, let's check our attendance. Who's absent today? Very good, almost present. So class, before we proceed to our discussion, let me present to you our classroom rules. Are classroom rules clear? Very good. So class, if you still remember, last meeting we discussed about, yes, Angeline? Very good, Angeline. Last meeting, we discussed about accessories and trimmings used in dresses. Now, give me two different examples of accessories used in dresses. Yes, Edward? Very good, Edward. One of the examples of accessories used in trimmings are bands and bracelets. How about in trimmings? Yes, Rienzel? Very good, Rienzo. One of the examples of trimmings used in dresses is applique and embroidery. Very good, everyone. Now, class, I have here a picture. I want you to tell me what comes in your mind about this picture. Have you ever seen it in your garment? Yes, Angeline. Very good, Angeline. You see it in your garment, in your shirt. And it is a, yes, it is a pocket. So class, why it is important to choose the right type of pockets in your garment? Yes, Alfredo. Yes, Alfredo. It is important to choose the right type of pocket in your garment to look neat and well designed. So class, in this morning, we're going to discuss the different types of pockets. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to, please read everyone our objective.
Okay, thank you everyone.
Class, do you know that long ago, people didn't have a pocket in their clothes, so they carry small pouch called loculus to keep their important things safe. Over time, pockets were added to garments to make carrying easier and more convenient. Today, pockets are not only useful but also part of a fashion style. So class, do you think colors make a garment look formal or neat? Yes, pockets are functional and sometimes decorative parts of a garment, made by attaching or inserting a small pieces of fabric clothing. They serve as storage spaces carrying personal items such as money, phones, and case, and also add style, balance, and design to overall appearance of the garment. Am I understood? Very good. Since everything clear, now let's proceed to our first activity. So the first activity is called pocket hand. Now I will show you the instruction in the screen. Instruction. The teacher asks the students to check their garments to see if there is a pocket, reminding them that to look only at their own clothing and not touch to anyone. After that, the teacher asks them questions about the pockets they found. So class, let's start. Instructions are clear. Now let's begin. Now class, I will choose you randomly. So may I call on Miss Angeline? Please stand. So your question is, how many pockets do you have on your garments? Yes, do you have? 3 pockets. Very good. So the next question is, where are your pockets located? May I call on Mr. Daniel? Yes, in your uniform. So the third question is, what do you usually keep in them? Please stand, Mr. Alfredo. Yes, a handkerchief. So very good. Now, class, I have here a situation 1 and a situation 2. I will show you in the screen. Situation 1. If your shirt has 2 pockets and your pants have 4 pockets, how many pockets do you have in total? Pants is 2 and pockets is 4. So what is the answer? Yes, Riazo? Very good. You have 6 pockets. Now let's proceed to situation 2. Your jacket has 4 pockets and can fit 6 pencils. How many pencils can carry in all pockets? The answer is yes, Alfredo. Very good. 24 pencils can carry in all pockets. Very good, everyone. Now, let's proceed to our discussion proper. Class, our topic for today is all about the different types of pockets. The first one is patch pocket, are flat pockets sewn to the interior of a garment. They are typically unfitted and can come in a range of shapes and sizes. This is the picture of a patch pocket. So class, as you know, patch pockets are classic details that adds a cool, casual touch to many types of clothing. They're functional too perfectly for storing small items like case, coins, or a phone. The second one is seam pocket. It's sewn on the inside of the garment with each pocket opening sewn outside of the garments. Class, as you can see the picture in the screen, it is a seam pocket picture. So, as you know, seam pockets provide a clean, streamlined looks, keep valuables secure and out of sight. We usually see this in our dresses, skirt, or in our pants. The third one is the zipper pocket. A zipper pocket is a pocket that has a zipper closure to keep items secure. It is commonly found on jackets, pants, and bags, especially for sportwear or travel clothing. Class, as you can see, it is a picture of a zipper pocket. So as you know, we usually see this kind of pockets in jeans, providing a secure, convenient place to store small items like coins, case, or a phone. The fourth one is the flap pocket. A flap pocket is a pocket that has a piece of fabric covering its opening. The flap can protect the items inside and also make the pocket look neat and stylish. The flap pocket in the picture is a classic design element in clothing and bags, adding both functionality and style to the garments. Class, as you can see in the screen, it is the picture of a flap pocket. So as you know, flap pocket helps things secure like your phone or wallet with a flap covering the pocket opening. The fifth one is the hidden or the secret pocket. A hidden or a secret pocket is a pocket that is concealed inside a garment or lining, so it is not visible from the outside. It is used to keep valuable items safe and secure. Class, as you can see in the screen, it is the picture of a hidden or a secret pocket.
So as you know, we usually see this kind of pockets in the travel bags, backpacks, or jackets. Hidden pockets are used in these items to keep valuables safe and secure, especially in crowded areas or when we are traveling. The last one is the welt packet. It's a small, flat packet that is commonly used on the exterior and interior breast on the man's suit jacket, back of the man's trouser, and ends suit jacket. Class, as you can see in the screen, it is a picture of a welt packet. So as you know, a welt packet are used in formal clothing like suits and coats. Those are the different types of packet, which is seam packet, patch packet, flap packet, hidden or secret packet, zipper packet, and lastly, the welt packet.
Class, do you have any questions or clarifications about the discussion? Now, if none, let's proceed to our next activity. The next activity is called Bucket Relay Race. So I will show you the instruction in the screen.
Class, I will read the instruction on activity number 2. So class, the teacher divide the class into 3 groups. The teacher placed the pocket name cards and definition cards on the one side of the classroom. When the game starts, the first member of each groups run to the cards and pick one pocket name and its matching definition, and bring them back to their group to paste it in cartolina. Then, the next member takes a turn to do the same. The group continues taking turns until all pocket names are correctly matched with their definitions. The first group match all the pairs correctly wins the game.
Class, how was your activity? It is fun? Yes, good to know. So let's proceed to our next activity. So the next activity is called Pocket Questions. I will show you the instructions in the screen.
The instruction is the teacher shows pictures of different pockets type on the screen. Teacher asks the following question randomly to the students. Class, I will give you 2 minutes to study it.
So now class, I will pick you randomly. So may I call on Mr. Nathan, please stand. Nathan, where can you usually find this pocket on clothing based from the picture? Very good, in your trouser. May I call on Mr. Edward, please stand. So Edward, can you think of an item you might put in this pocket based from the picture? Very good, a wallet. May I call on Miss Mary, please stand. Have you seen this type of pocket in your clothes before? Very good, in your pants. So may I call on Mr. Alfredo? Please stand. So which pocket do you like the best and why? Yes, you like patch pocket because it's easy to get your wallet. So okay class, that's great. Give everyone a magaling clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Magaling, magaling, magaling. So class, imagine you're preparing for school and you make it sure that your important things like IDs and monies are safe in your pockets. You decided to sew a simple pockets on your bag or shirt, but you didn't know how to measure or plan it properly. So class, what could happen if you sew a pocket without applying the right concept and skills you learned? Yes, Miss Angeline? Very good. Possible your pocket is too small or too big. Remember class, when you skip a proper measuring or stitching or choosing the right pocket type, the pocket may be too small for your things or weak enough to tear it easily or uneven and uncomfortable to use. This showed that how important are sewing skills in our daily life. Good pockets keep our belongings safe and make our clothes more useful. Again, class, what was our topic today? Yes, the different types of pockets. Now, what are those different types of pockets? May I call Angeline? Please give me one different types of pockets. Yes, very good. A same pockets. How about you, Alfredo? Yes, very good. A patch pocket. How about you, Danielle? Yes, very good. A flap pocket. How about you, Mary? Very good. A zipper pocket. How about you, Alfredo? Very good. A well pocket. Now, class, why should we use a pattern when making a pocket? May I call on Edward? Why should we use a pattern when making a pocket? Very good. We usually use a pattern because it helps us the pocket the right size and shape. Ensure it is placed correctly on the garment. Very good. So class, do you have any questions with regards in our discussions? So I guess everyone already understood the discussions. Now get 1/4 sheet of paper and let's have a quiz.
Direction. Read each question carefully. Choose the letter of the correct answer.
Are you done answering, class? Can exchange your papers with your seatmates. We will check your answer. Class, who got 5? Who got 4? Who got 3 below? Okay, very good. Almost perfect. So now, I have here a assignment. I will show you in the screen.
For those who got score 5 to 4, write a short sentence for each of the 6 types of pockets, describing where you can find them or how they are used. And for those who got score 3 below, list any 3 types of pockets you know and write one sentence about each, explaining where it can be found or how it used.
Is there any questions about the assignment, class? If none, that's all for today. Again, I am your teacher, Jeros, your daily teacher, and I hope you learned something today. Goodbye, class. Okay, you may go now.